possible camera features of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro were just revealed, and we even see an underwater mode. Samsung has just launched the Galaxy A7, the first triple camera phone from the company, and it doesn't look bad at all. And the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL were accidentally on sale a little while ago, along with the notch. I'm Jaime Rivera, and this has been a really good start for the Champions League for those of you following. I'm looking forward to more. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with, alright, let's just call it deals, because what it is really more of a bundle. For those of you in the market for the Sony Xperia XZ3, a phone that I'm waiting to review, which I know it's only been distributed in the UK. By the way, my buddy Saf has a really great video so far. Currently available on Amazon in its full glory. The problem is the price. It's $900, but then you get the Xperia Duo earphones, which I actually need to review as well. Now let's talk about Apple. For those of you wanting to know details on the internals of the iPhone XS, they have just been revealed. The battery is 2658 milliamp hours, and I don't know how Apple figures out how to make those batteries smaller and get those weird numbers in the milliamp hours. But yes, it's smaller than the iPhone X. According to sources that are experts in this, the 7nm process will allow more power efficiency, and therefore it allows for a smaller battery. Yeah. I'm not sure that. Why not just get the same size battery and get better battery life? Like, seriously. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy A7, which was just announced in Asia. Price tags are actually extremely aggressive. You can learn more in the description. Most important is the fact that we've got 3 cameras, and the design actually doesn't look so bad. We've got a primary regular camera. The other one is a wide angle, if I'm reading this right, in addition to then a depth sensor on the other. I wish the other one would have been a telephoto and then just figure out how to make that a depth sensor or whatever, but yeah. You can learn more about this phone in the description. So far, it means that triple cameras are the thing coming next year. Now let's move the spotlight over to the most leaked phones in history. After the iPhone 4, the Google Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, they were pretty much posted on sale at JD.com temporarily, and the press photographs look legit. This actually looks like something that would come from Google that shows us that the Long Island notch is a thing, it's actually coming. And yeah, specifications, details, everything was there. Then it was pulled, so stay tuned for more information. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Oh my god, like, this season is great. We've got so many awesome phones being announced, and well, there's an APK teardown that reveals the camera modes on this phone, and apparently there's a new addition, an underwater mode, for you to be able to use the camera buttons or the other hardware buttons in order to take photos underwater. For those of you that don't know, you can't really use a capacitive screen underwater, and so taking photos is kind of a nightmare. And then Huawei has this weird combination for you to be able to launch the camera whenever the screen is off, which for me is just so annoying. But anyways, let us know in the comments, what do you think about this possible mode? How often do you use your phone to take photos underwater? Because I, to be fully honest, never have. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.